What's up? It's me, Warren, here again with another video. So in this video, someone asked me how to make my ex pursue, chase after them. I think I already made a video about this. It's old. I think I made it like a year ago. So anyway, I don't mind remaking a video and just adding some new things to it. And also to the people, the females that say, can I be a little bit more sincere in my videos like how I used to be? So this is that video. So the best way to make someone pursue you is to be aloof. And just show indifference towards that person. And the trick is to treat them like you're not attracted to them. That's what you want to do. I think I said that in my previous video. But over time, I learned this. The best way to get somebody to pursue you is to be on your purpose, be on your grind. Do the self-improvement. So when you do the self-improvement and when you start to shine, your ex will see that because they look at it like this. Like, let's just use the analogy of a restaurant. Just say you that restaurant and everybody is coming to your restaurant to eat. Your ex gonna see that. And your ex gonna wonder like, dang, I just left that restaurant, but it seemed like that restaurant got more popular now, and the food got a whole lot better, and everything upgrades. I think I'm gonna go back into that restaurant and eat again. See, when you don't do the self-improvement and you all alone and stuff like that, you're not attractive because nobody coming to you. When nobody comes to you, your ex won't come to you. So you have to be attractive, desirable and stuff like that. And the best way to be desirable and attractive is do the self-improvement. Work on yourself, better yourself in every area possible so you can shine. And when you shine, you become like a light, a bright light to others, and others will be attracted to that light. So the downside about that is you will attract people that only come around you to use you. People will come to you and try to use the gain from your your sweat, your hustle, your grind. They want to benefit from that. They'll say your name, they'll use you, they're trying to hang around you. Overall, they don't like you. They just want what you have, what you work hard for. That's all they want. But just never mind that. Just be extra careful with who you hang with and stuff like that. My grandma told me this old saying: if they ain't with you while you down, you don't need them while you up. Remember that. If they not around you when you down and out, you don't need them when you up. And to my other buddy who going through hard times right now, and he don't see your way out of his situation, just understand it's gonna get better in the future. You have a bright opportunity ahead of you. Just don't focus on the past. The past is the past. Leave it there. It's time to graduate to the next level. And the only way you can graduate to the next level is go through that pain and suffering that you're going through and tell yourself daily, every day, it's going to get better. Trust me, it's going to get better. When I say it's going to get better, trust me. I'm living proof where it's going to get better. We all go through our trials and tribulations, our ups and downs. But at the end of it, it's all a test. It's all a test. And what they say is, God is not going to put no more on you than you can handle. Trust that. Believe that. It's true. When you feel like you at the end of it, that's when everything is going to, start working out for you. But just bear through it. You can get through it. And you'll shine. But the meaning of this video is to tell you how to make someone pursue after you. And the best way and the only way, do the self-improvement. Do the self-improvement. Better yourself. See, people like a challenge. People like a challenge. People like to chase after the challenge, be after the challenge. See, you ever seen when people win championships, a lot of people just flock to them, just come to them because they're in a winning position. Be in that winning position. Be in that winning spot. And they'll chase after you. Have something they need. Want. And don't give it to them. Let me say it again. Have something they want. Because everybody have their own motives. Have something they want. never give it to them, and they will chase you, pursue you forever. Don't you pursue, and don't you ever chase. Law 20. I'm not gonna say what it is, but if you read the book, 48 Laws of Power, Law 20, and that's how you get people to do what you need them to do and pursue after you. Now, with that being said, I want you to watch after one another and be sincere. Just watch after one another. Put God in your life and just take care of one another. Before I go, was this sincere enough for you, Miss Lady? You know, the one that sent me that email, was this sincere for you? I didn't cuss. I didn't say none of that shit. None of that stuff, you know. But with that being said, whenever you need me, the quickest way to get in contact with me is through email. Or you can just text. Or just save my number in your phone and text me whenever you're ready. With that being said, peace.